Okay, so the next two products I'm going to talk about are actually ones that I use essential oils to make my own products. And they are insect repellent and sunscreen. Now, those two things kind of scare me when I'm thinking about my children and all the carcinogenic ingredients that can be added to both. And so I wanted to find an alternative, a natural, safe alternative, and I have found an amazing alternative to both. So the first one we're going to talk about is insect repellent. Now what I like to do, and you can see the picture below, but I just get those aluminum bottles from the Dollar Tree. They were literally $1 a piece. To make the insect repellent, I just fill that bottle with water. And I add just like a pinch of salt that helps to emulsify to mix the oil and water, because generally oil and water don't mix. And then I add 20 drops of Repel Aroma. Now, what's kind of funny about Repel Aroma is actually in our animal scents collection. However, it is perfectly safe to use on humans, and I did so all last summer with no ill effects. Repel Aroma is a unique combination of purifying and invigorating citronella, Idaho tansy, Palo Santo, and tea tree essential oils. It smells awesome. And a portion, actually, of all proceeds from Animal Sense products goes to support Vital Ground, which is a nonprofit organization dedicated to protecting the habitat of grizzly bears and other wide-roaming wildlife. We go up north a lot, and there are a lot of mosquitoes, a lot of insects, and I was petrified that my little sensitive boys last summer were going to get eaten alive. They, I'm not kidding you, did not have a single bug bite on them. And I applied this religiously to them. It worked amazingly. So I highly suggest that if you're interested in making your own insect repellent, you go ahead and get this Repel Aroma. It's generally pretty inexpensive. It's $12.75 if you're a wholesale member, $16.78 if you're not. And this can make, probably, it will make a ton of bottles of it throughout the summer. So that was the insect repellent. Sunscreen was also something that kind of freaked me out. I know that your skin is the largest organ on your body, and whatever you put in your skin goes into your bloodstream. And so I was very cautious about what I'm putting on my children's skin when I'm thinking about sunscreen. And so I found a great recipe. I used that same aluminum bottle. I had 1/4 cup fractionated coconut oil, which means that it is a liquid. I just bought it on Amazon. I put in 20 drops of carrot seed oil and 8 drops of lavender. Now, we were outside all the time last summer. We were swimming. Like I said, we were up north. It was hot. We were in the sun. And that was another thing I was afraid of, was a sunburn, because I would think that what was it at the time, not even an 18-month-old and a sunburn, they just don't seem to mix. But it was absolutely amazing. It worked so, so well. I highly recommend, again, if you are looking for a way to make your own sunscreen, please go this route. It is so much safer and so much better for you and your children's skin.